declare found war.
Hey guys, I'm headed to the grocery store.
What? No! You can't go to the grocery store unprotected.
I got my muscles.
This is COVID-19. It's a respiratory disease and you don't have a mask. Lily, what should we do?
Okay.
So, Lily is going to show us today how to make a mask out of everyday household items. You can't buy a mask anywhere, but this is the best way to protect yourself before going out. Lily, show us what we got.
So we got this nice thick blue paper towel.
Blue paper towel. Got
You
it.
can use whatever type we like to use this.
All right, what's next?
And then you'll have some rubber bands. You'll take two.
Two, not one, but two. We might need
You
it right now.
have two rubber bands.
Got it.
And then you need a stapler.
A stapler. What do we do with a stapler? We'll find out. All right, Lily, show us how this works. Okay, so there you go. Lily just showed us how to make a mask out of everyday household items, a paper towel, two rubber bands, and a stapler. All right, Mom, let's put this on you so you can get shopping today. And it looks fantastic. I think you look very professional. Lily, this is beautiful. Thank you for keeping
I'm
our
gonna be
whole
having
family
people
safe.
rip this off my face. They're gonna think this is the N95 right here.
That's right, they're gonna probably want it for themselves. But hey, there you go. You wanna stay safe out there, not pick up any respiratory diseases, and get the rest of your family sick while shopping. Now you can do it.